Buenos dias. We are looking at how to say the 7 days of the week, but in Spanish. How do you pronounce them? How do you translate those 7 days in Spanish? The week starts with Monday in Spanish, said as lunes. Lunes is Spanish for Monday. Martes, martes, stress on the first syllable, is Tuesday, martes. Miércoles, that's an interesting one. You see this accent on the first E? Well, it means the stress is on that R syllable. Miércoles, miércoles, to insist on that R syllable. Miércoles is Wednesday in Spanish. Jueves, jueves, stress on the first E syllable. V is pronounced like B, of course. Jueves is Thursday in Spanish. Viernes, B sound, of course, again. Viernes, again, stress on that R syllable. Viernes is Friday in Spanish. Sábado, sábado, because of this accent on the first A, do insist and stress on that first syllable. Sábado is Saturday in Spanish. And finally, Sunday, the last day of the week, the resting day. Domingo, domingo, stress on the second syllable. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, and domingo. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Subscribe if you want to learn more Spanish. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and more useful vocabulary from Spanish. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.